Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to lock a lost Android phone. First, make sure your Android phone has Find My Device or Find Hub enabled and that you're signed in to your Google account. If your phone is lost, use another Android device or a computer and sign in to the same Google account linked to your phone. Open Find My Device or Find Hub, then select your lost Android phone from the list of available devices. Wait a few moments while the service locates your phone. Once your device appears, select the Secure Device or Lock Device option. You may be asked to create a new lock screen PIN or password if your phone doesn't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. You can also add a recovery message and a contact phone number that will appear on your phone's lock screen. This gives anyone who finds your device a way to contact you without accessing your personal information. After confirming your changes, your Android phone will be locked remotely the next time it's connected to the internet. If you're unable to recover your phone, you can return to Find My Device or Find Hub and choose the Erase Device option to remove your personal data and help protect your privacy. That's all. You've successfully learned how to lock a lost Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.